चंद्रम याति न वा पापी ते सर्व इति वाक्यतः पंचमाहुति लाभार्थम भोगाभावेऽपि यात्यसौ भोगार्थमेव गमनम् आहुतिर्व्यभिचारिणी सर्वश्रुति सुकृतिना या मे पापी गति श्रुता
पापी चंद्रम याति न वा पापी चंद्रम याति न वा ते सर्वे इति वाक्यतः पंचमाहुति लाभार्थम भोगाभावेऽपि असौ याति भोगाभावे अपि असौ याति गमनम भोगार्थम एव आहुति व्यभिचारिणी सर्वश्रुति सुकृतीना या में पापी गति श्रुता पापी चंद्रम याति न वा डाउट a sinful person does he go to heaven or not Pura Paksha says te sarve he finds some Kaushitaki Upanishad will come in the Bhashya te sarve all those people go to Chandraloka this what papi also is included or not actually all those refers to Punyavan it's a pronoun context shows it is Punyavan but he has picked up only the pronoun all people means papi also goes so it is Vakyatah from Kaushitaki Vapya says again what papi goes to Chandraloka this Swarga other reason it is Panchamahuti Labhartham for see what was Panchamahuti told Purush with the fifth Ahuti Apaha gets the name Purusha for which first Ahuti is what Swarga if that he doesn't go then this will not become the fifth one then it will become fourth one or it may become second one or first one also it can become first one only so that was no but see should respect Shruti Panchami Ahuti Labhartham that Panchami Ahuti fifth oblation should to hold good he has to go there as the first Swarga as the first Ahuti he has to say then he has no punya to have the bhoga there bhoga bhavepi asau yati he may not have bhoga but for sate sarve in the Kaushitaki and Panchami Ahuti to be true he must necessarily go to and get distressed ayo others are enjoying I am not we do sorrow is like a teasing person so that will this Siddhanta Gamanam Bhogartham eva going to heaven is not just for any other purpose it is for Swarga Phala Bhoga Karma Phala which gives Bhoga of Swarga only for that there is no sightseeing also is Bhoga sightseeing also happens to be Bhoga ऐसा कुछ उधर एंट्री ही नहीं है वीसा ही नहीं मिलता है और अंडर द टेबल डील भी तो चलता ही नहीं होता तो कुछ नहीं चलता गमनम भोगार्थम आहुति ही व्यभिचारिणी पंचमी आहुति इज नॉट हार्ड एंड फास्ट it is only in the case of those people who do Ishtapurta and Panchagni Vidya. It is not applicable to it is not a universal rule. That is Panchami Vyabhicharini means exceptions are there for Panchami Ahuti. Means without fifth oblation also one can take the embodiment. Sarvashruti, te sarve is stored where? In Kaushitaka Vasha. It says Sukritinam. Sukritinam means in the case of those Punya Karmana. Those who take to Punya Karma only, all those who take to. So like this, no? Although all the passengers board the flight. Who are all the passengers? Who are ticketed, who have taken the boarding pass. Is it not? With other views there, we have no ticket. All बोला है. वो बाहर से सुना. बाहर से सुना. सबको जाओ करके मैं भी जाता हूँ. All who have got ticketed already taken the boarding pass. Like I said, board the flight. That was they survey Sukritinaha. Sukritinaha. Say, now, do you know what is the plight of this papi? Yame papa gati hi shruta. Yame means Yamaloke. Papa gati, papi gati. Gati for papi is where? In the Yamaloka and not in the Swarga Loka. That is where you don't worry about them. They also have got travel, but different destination. So, like flight going to Saudi Arabia or Pakistan. So that is Bangladesh and all that. So that is so Yame papi gati shuta. Yame papi. These papis go to Yamaloka. To this effect, Shruti is there, and therefore you can't say papis go to heaven also because of te sarva sarve Shruti or to panchami ahuti to hold good.
अनिष्टाधिकारिणामपि च श्रुतम्. The question arises whether those who do not take to Ishtadi karma, on the contrary, may do wrong things, do they go to heaven? That is the question. First, Purvapaksha Sutra says they go to heaven. Why? We find Shrutis to this effect. So let's say that this is a Purvapaksha Sutra. First we should note that it is Purvapaksha Sutra. Anishtadikarinam. Who are Anishtadikarinam? Ishtadi karma shunyana. Those who do Ishtadi karma shunyana. Those who don't take to Ishta, Datta, Purta karma as enjoined by the Vedas. And it doesn't mean stop there only. Empty mind is devil's workshop. So they will do all nonsense also, papachara also they will take to. They say, Api. Api means Shutam, that they also go to have Chandraloka, Swargaloka. Why? Shruti has said that. First one says, Yevai kecha asmadloka prayanti. Kaushitaki Upanishad. It will come in the Bhashya. All those who live from this Bhuloka go have Chandraloka. But all where context is there. Who are those contexts? Those who take to the Ishta, Purta context is there. All it is there. But that context this Purvapaksha doesn't take, and it says Shruti says that they go there. That is, he embarks on that Kaushitaka Shruti. That is what Shruti says. So that is what he says. So that being the case, that is, all go to Chandraloka, and because all go to Chandraloka, Ishta, that means your statement that only those who take to Ishta, Purta, Karma go to Chandraloka is not correct. That is the contention of the Purvapaksha Sutra. Sanyamanetu Anubhuya Itaresham Arohavarohau Tadgati Darshana. Itaresham, Adishtakarina, different gati is told by Shruti. Only to make fifth ahuti is true, then you can't send them to dispatch them to Chandraloka. They will not be able to go. They can't go there at all. So why take on by them? 2. संयमने अनुभूय इतरेषाम् आरोह अवरोहौ तद्गति दर्शन. 2 is पूर्वोक्त शंका विनाशः. Which shanka spelled out in earlier sutra? Purapaksha, this 12th sutra. Purva ukta shanka. Sanyamane. Sanyamane means Sanyamana is Yamagriha, Yamaloka, Sanyamane, Yamagrihe, Yamaloke. Anubhuya, having experience what? You have to take that. Swakiya dushkrityanurupa yami yatanaha anubhuya. Yami yatanaha anubhuya. Having experienced the torture given by Yamaraja. Why he gives all these things? Swakiya dushkrityanurupa. In accordance with one's dushkarma, whatever painful torture one has to undergo as per the law, which are executed by who? Yamaraja. Anubhuya, upabhujya, having experienced those. Eva is itaresham. Itaresham means those who take to nishiddha karma, those who have not taken to ishta, not only that, ishtadi, but those who take to nishiddha karma, itaresham. Aroha avaroha. Aroha gati, avaroha agati. Gatyagati. Going to Yamaloka and return. Certainly they also travel. Where they travel? Yamaloka and return. Not to Chandraloka, not to heaven and return. Gatyagati bhavataha. Kutaha. How do you say so? Tadgati darshana. Tesham gatyehe darshana. Tadgati darshana sutra. So, their gati, that travel is shown by what? Shruti. How? Says, ayam lokaha nasti ityadi shrutau. For these people, neither this loka is there, nor the other loka is there. So they have to go yami, that is what? Yami yatana. So torture, painful experiences given by Yama in accordance with the nishiddha karma taken to by them. This is taddarshana. So therefore, only to make their future embodiment possible, you can't suppose that there is presuppose that they go there without bhoga, they return. So that fifth ahuti, they can become the Purushottama. No, about their gati, agati, separate shruti is there. They go to Yamaloka, suffer there, and once the bhoga is over, return for whatever next embodiment that prarabdha order. Shruti, Smriti also says, Smaranti cha.
Smaranti cha.
Smaranti cha. Cha means api. Who? Smaranti. Who? Manvadayaha, Shishtaha, Smutikaraha. Smaranti. Manu etc. who are what? Adapt in the Shastra, they tell in their Smriti. Smaranti means Smiya Smriti Granthaihi Spashtam Kathayanti. Smaranti means Smiya Smriti Granthaihi. By their Smriti Grantha, Spashtam Kathayanti. They very clearly point out Anishtadikari, go to Yamaloka and suffer there. Means, what is the conclusion? Ishtadikaris only go to Swarga, Chandraloka, not Anishtadikari. Apicha Sapta. You go to Purana. You will get fighting. Okay? 7 hells are told there, not 1, 2. Not 1, 2. 7 hells are told. अपि च सप्त. Api means anyadapi. Other thing. Sapta. What is sapta? Raurava pramukhaha sapta sankhyaakaha narakaha. Raurava. Name itself is a frightful. So, Raurava. So that is that. Satya Narakaha. What is that? Raurava pramukha sapta sankhyaakaha. 7 in number. Is Narakaha. What for? As a Papa Phalabhuvi. As the places where the result of sin is suffered. Papa Phalabhuvi. Where the phala of Papa is undergone. Who tells so? Pauranika. Pauranika says. That is what? Those who take to good karma, Ishtadi only go to Chandraloka, and not this, they go to this Naraka, etc. Tatrapi cha tad vyapara avirodha. So that is Tatrapi cha. Tatrapi means in this Raurava Adi Narakeshu cha api cha. Tad vyapara. Tad vyapara means so Yamasya vyapara. So that is what, who is the only Yamaraja's function. Yamadhishtatru api. Tad vyapara means in the Narakas, which are what, ruled by who? Chitraguptadi. It is Yama's rule only. That means Yamasya vyapara. Cha avirodha. Avirodha means it is not contradictory to say that they undergo Yama, Yami, that is Yamayataha, Yatanaha. Is not because chief is who? Yamaraja. They are subordinate, that's all. They are subordinate. They are also taught. Vidya karmanoho iti tu prakritatva. Like this. Atha etayoho pathoho na ityadi shrutau. 2 paths are told. Vidya means Panchagni Upasana. Context is Panchagni Upasana. Karma, Ishtadi karma. What is the plight of those who don't follow either of the paths? Vidya is what? Panchagni Vidya. Karma is for Ishtadi karma. So the question is, for them result is given. Chandraloka, etc. That is what, that Devayana Marga, Pitrayana Marga, these Margas are given. But those who don't follow either of them, what is that plight? So therefore, Pancha Vidya Karmanoho iti tu Prakritatva. By these two, Etayoho, by these two, Vidya and Karma iti Prakritatva. So that is that. The topic begins with the Pitrayana and the Devayana and the Pitrayana. Devayana for those who take to Panchagni Vidya, Pitrayana for only those who take to like what? Ishtadi karma, like Dhuma Marga, Arthi Marga. So like that, Karmana iti tu Prakritatva. So this is how the topic has started. 2 is there. Means, what it means to say that? The topic begins with the 2 margas. What are those 2 margas? Panchagni Vidya and the Ishtadi karma. And those who don't follow either of these, for them what? Yamaloka is that. So that is what? 2 here, that means these people go only Chandramasam Loka only. Who? Ishtadikaris and those who take to Upasana go to Chandraloka only and not the Yamaloka. So Yamaloka is meant for whom? Those who do not follow either of these 2. Vidya karma is a Prakritatva. It's like Na tritiye tathopalabdhe. Take Anvaya. Tritiye, then add Ahuti Sankhya Niyama. Na, add Bhavati. Tritiye, add Ahuti Sankhya Niyama. Na add bhavati. Tritiye. What is Tritiye? Tritiye marge. The third marga. Which marga? Jayasva, Briyasva. Which is meant for papis to take the deha. So that is the third, Tritiya patha. So Tritiya marge, it says, Ahuti sankhya niyamaha. That human embodiment again in the fifth ahuti as told in the Panchagni Vidya, this rule does not apply. Na bhavati. This rule is not there. This rule does not apply. Why? Tatha upalabdhehe. So is the Shruti. What is that? Shruti. Jayasva mriyasva ityadi shrutau. Be born and die is the Shruti. Where is the Sankhya Niyama Ahuti? Ahuti's name itself is not given there. Other than Jayasva mriyasva directly. So get repeatedly born and die. So that is Jayasva niyasma iti Sankhya Niyamam vina eva dehantara prapti upalabdhe. Tatha upalabdhe. Tatha means that is Sankhya Niyamam vina eva Tritiya marge deha praptehe upalabdhe. In Tritiya marga, that embodiment is gained without the Sankhya Niyama. So therefore, what is said is, that is, to gain the human embodiment, fifth ahuti is necessary, and for fifth ahuti, Chandraloka Gamana is indispensable, doesn't work good. Smaryate apicha loke. Take Anvaya. Apicha loke smaryate. Ratnaprabha, first line end. Aniyame vritti samvadartham sutram. Aniyame means 5 ahutis should be there. Such a rule not there. Shruti samvadartham. Here samvada is concurrence. Concurrence, agreement with. See, to show the concurrence of Smriti. This sutra, Smaryate apicha loke. So the next sutra is to show the concurrence of Shruti, that 5 ahuti niyama is not there to take the, that is, human embodiment or any other embodiment. Nyaya Nirnaya. 7th line. Manushya deharambham pratyahuti sankhya niyama bhavi smritim samvadayati. That to gain the human embodiment, there is no rule of what? 5th ahuti. For this, Shrutim samvadayati. Shrutim samvadayati means shows the concurrence of the Smriti, not Shruti, Smriti. Shrutim samvadayati shows the concurrence of the Smriti. Ishtadikari, or those who take to Panchagni Vidya, no doubt go to heaven, and in 5th ahuti, again they gain the human embodiment. But this is not a hard and fast rule. Again, there is a third path also, Jayasva, Briyasva, who don't go to heaven at all, and therefore they take the subsequent embodiment. So the Panchami ahuti is not a rigid rule. So that is, there are exceptions to that. Now, based on Shruti, it was proved, same thing was proved. Now, based on Smriti, it is being told that there is no such hard and fast rule. Smaryate apicha. Apicha loke smaryate. Apicha. Also, to add further, loke. You see that how that loka. Loka means here Mahabharata adi itihasa. Ramayana, Mahabharata adi itihasa. There we find Drona was born in a cup, leaf cup. Agastya, I think, in a kumbha, pot as well. Drishtadyumna from fire. Draupadi from fire. Sita in a box. Bhumi in a box, she was found as well. So now, there is Panchami ahuti. So that is not there. These rules do not. applied to them. So therefore, smaryate means Smriti also says accordingly. Smriti also says that there is no rigid rule of Panchami Ahuti. That is Smaryate means don't remember, etc. Smaryate, Smriti Patham Bhavati. Smriti Patham Bhavati means this is what is told in the Smriti. Take the Apicha Loke. Loke means that which it is received by Ityasa called Loka. That which differs from Veda is called Loka. That which is not actually the Veda, that is what is called as Loka here. So Smaryate. So it is told there in the Smritis also. Darshanachya. The Nyaya. Itasya deharambe na ahuti sankhya niyamaha astityaha darshanachya. Itasya, because of this reason that is going to be given in the Sutra 20 also, says Dehamatrarambe, for the birth of the body, says Ahuti Sankhya Niyamaha Navasti. There is no rule, rigid rule that fifth Ahuti only can make produce the human, not human, any embodiment. There is no such rule as such. Not only is the rule that intercourse between male and female also should be there, such a rule is not there, for which an illustration is given. So, Cha means to add further, Darshana, Cha means api. So Darshana, what is Darshana? Seen. What is seen in the world? It is like this. How many varieties of embodiments are taken? Not just 84 lakhs. 4 varieties. Jarayuja, Andaja, Svedaja, Udbhija. Jarayuja from the womb, Andaja from the egg. Now Svedaja, Udbhija, where are male and female? Are they born or not? There are no males and females. So that is how it is. Means there is no such rule that for, it seems, somewhere I read, in Satyayuga, by Drishti they used to get conceived. By Drishti, other person is to get conceived. So there is no Gramya Dharma, etc. No other thing, etc. So that was there by Sankalpa. Now Brahmaji produced so. Brahmaji is Manasa and afterwards he must have repented. ये तो काम नहीं, मैंने जिसके भी काम किया उनको काम नहीं करते, सब तपस्वी बन गए. Satyayuga etc. It was there etc. Why? Brahmaji produced by Sankalpa. And somebody's tears came and somebody born. From Bhasma somebody born. Bhasmasura. Andhakasura. No, Andhakasura, there was Andhakasura. See, Parvati one day in a playful mood closed the eyes of Shiva. There was such a darkness everywhere and Asura was born. Parvati considered that fellow as what? A child. One sort child as well. But true to the Asura nature, he started playing havoc and started torturing them. So, that three words. Then finally, Lord Shiva with him punished him, means they overpowered him, and his Trishula is there, no? At the tip of the Trishula, he pierced him and hung him there, and his third eye fire he baked. He baked him and punished him. Then Parvati took little pity, and anyway he was born as a child to me, so he was made a Gananatha, head of a troop. Gananatha, not Ganapati like that, but the head of a troop. But after teaching him a lesson, from where they from darkness he was born. Another means certain avatars.
It is not actual conception. It is not, they say call it is not prasava, it is pravesha. No doubt they have come from the womb of the mother, but they have entered there, not because of the gramya. Gramya dharma means this intercourse between male and female, not because of that. That is what Yom Satya Sai Baba's case, the question was there. The Pandit asked, was it pravesha or prasava? He said, ask the mother. What happened? Then it was a pravesha. It was a pravesha. So therefore say locate. So therefore, now this is that Jara Svedaja and Andaja are born from where? Without any gramya dharma. So that means there is no such rule as that. So that is what darshana. Darshana means this is what we find in the word. Illustration to this effect is given. Tritiya shabdavarodha Samshokajasya Anvaya Samshokajasya Tritiya shabdavarodha. Samshokajasya means Svedajasya. How Samshoka is has come there. Sweat comes when? Should I demonstrate by switching off all the fans? Well, because of heat only sweat comes. So Svedajasya Tritiya Shabdena Avarodha. It should be taken that way. Tritiya Shabdena Eva Avarodha. Avarodha means Sangraha. Sangraha means inclusion. Inclusion. Avarodha means Sangraha, inclusion. Means has to be added. Shabda means it's like what you say now. Tritiya Shabdena. What is Tritiya Shabdena? Andaja, Jivaja, Udvijya. Third word is what? Udvijya. Those which are born by splitting. So that is already Udvijya. So Tritiya Shabdena Avarodha means Sangraha, inclusion. Means as we say no, Udvijya is Upalakshana for that is Svedaja. Like that it will be. But yes, inclusion. Avarodha.